I was in this role in 2017. When you look at where we are today, by this time in 2017, we had more incidents than we have now. In fact, the Inspector General of Police and I, who have been here this morning, have just demonstrated to the private sector that when you look at the number of incidents that we are dealing with at this point compared to the number of incidents we were dealing with in 2017, we are at less than a quarter of the incidents that we were dealing with in 2017, which means our country has come of age. Our people are mature. Our democracy has grown. And now is the time to march forward boldly and confidently, go through this electoral system in a manner that demonstrates to everybody that we are a mature country, a mature economy, that preserves itself and looks at itself today, tomorrow, and always. Mine is to assure everyone, again, on behalf of the executive branch of government, that our country is secure and safe, and that we are ready to support the IEBC to conduct the general elections, that no one needs to worry about anything. I have just asked this morning the private sector colleagues to continue making their orders, to continue making their business plans, expanding their businesses, because our country is secure and our country is safe. We will have a peaceful elections. We have no evidence whatsoever from across the country, because we are engaging on a daily basis. Sometimes we have come to a point of engaging almost on an hourly basis with the structures of administration and security across the country. We have no evidence at all that we are going to have any problem of any kind. We ask our brothers and sisters who are on the campaign trail, who are seeking leadership, to remember their citizenship responsibility and duty. This is our only home on earth.
The government has assured that there is no fear on the elections being rigged, adding that necessary laws are in place, already governing all, and ensure that there is no fear on the election being rigged by any side of the government.